Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. While the 2023 Super Bee is inspired by classic muscle cars, it's going to include some modern amenities, such as full keyless entry, mobile and remote start. But there's no mistaking the sweet sound of the exhaust as anything other than pure muscle. The original Super Bee dates back to 1968 to 1971, the height of the muscle car era. Dodge saw their sister company, Plymouth, sales surge with the Roadrunner. The classic B-body platform, their mid-size platform that Mopar used for cars such as the Fury, the Coronet, the GTX, the Charger, and Dodge wanted to join the game, so they asked Mopar, and Mopar came out with the 1968 Super Bee that was originally available in colors such as B5 blue and plum crazy purple. The Super Bee comes equipped with 20-inch black wheels. They're wrapped with Z-rated racing style Nexen tires, nice soft compound, almost 11 inches wide, really helps keep this car planted on the ground and get that power transfer to the ground. It's being stopped by a nice 4-piston Brembo braking system. Calipers are painted bright red. It's really going to stand out inside that wheel and let everybody know it really means business. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one. And if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.